the engine. Okay. So, da sind wir wieder. What are you doing? Ah ja, straight, no? Straight and straight back. Cool. Ja. Alles bis jetzt richtig gemacht. Alles bis jetzt richtig gemacht. So we take the next call here on the right side. And come on, again. Yeah. Here's a place enough, no? Place enough. Indicator. You forget the indicator. Habe ich das hochgeladen? Keine Ahnung. Okay. Was war los? Keine Ahnung, was los war. Ich habe Verbindung verloren. TikTok hat mich rausgeschmissen. Warum weiß ich nicht. Yeah, you make a big mistake, no? Because you see this call, no? You see this call on the right side, and you make this. The distance is too much, and you have this call. Yeah, you're too close to this call. Yeah, you're coming closer to this call, and then the front is coming to left, and then connected the call.
It should be like closer.
Yeah, closer to this call normally, no? But now you can drive. Like, no, for the next, no? It's better, no? You know what I mean? So, and now, a little bit above the border. Normally that's enough. Yes, exactly. Grüß aus Ratingen. Hallo Shirley. Ja, Ratingen. Slower, 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 slower. You can destroy the tires, no? If you drive too fast, and then you connect the border, no? Then you can destroy the tires. No? You scratched, and then it's damaged. No? So, a little bit further. Einparken. Hängt schon wieder? Ja, Ratingen ist auch nicht so gut ausgestattet hier, ne? Okay, then we start and go out.